Shadows lit the broken sky. Teeth are bare but spirits high. We are the ones who learn to chew the rust. Our laughter cracks like dried up dust. No saints left to pray for us. No graves deep enough to trust. Only embers in our palms. Only hunger singing songs. Feral fires, feral hearts, tearing tomorrow apart. We are the wolves at the edge of the light, dancing wild in the jaws of the night. Feral fires, feral sound, echo where no hope was found. We are the last ones who dare to rise, with scorching breath and wolfen eyes. The moon is a blade so sharp and thin, slicing through the lives we're living in. No Eden left, no promised land, just the pulse of a fist, just the grit in our hands.